So welcome to County Durham. This is one of my favourite jobs actually. It was in a hallway. As you can see, the floor was really worn down and quite scuffed. So I started sanding it straight away with the Flexi Sand. If you like my channel, I would be very grateful if you could like and share, or just subscribe to my channel to see more updates of similar videos, and yeah, just support me, it'd be great, thank you. So yeah, here's the Bonner Flexi Sand working its way through the hallway, again taking off all of the old coating, and then we started working on the edger. So the edger, taking off everything right up to the skirting board. This is actually my favourite tool. I love this. It gets you really close into hard to reach areas, and yeah, I love it. Then the rest of that door bar was sanded off using the Fest tool, and this is what it started to look like once I started vacuuming. Got the lacquer down, which was a matte finish, 3 coats of course, and here's the finished result. And if you think of what it looked like, it's made such a difference. And this is, you know, hard wearing, high traffic area. Customers were over the moon. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, if this is something that you're looking at achieving, anything is possible. You don't have to replace your floors, and you can actually get them restored using our tried and tested method. Here's the lovely couple, and thanks again for watching.